today I'm going to be playing Animal Jam Classic. It's loading. Okay, here, look at all those members. Why can't I just become a member? Look, there's a member over here. Hello, you, Asia? So, I'm going to try to get something for them. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's keep on walking. Let's go to over there. That way they can accident cook. Let's I think. Wait a little. Wait a little. Wait a little. Wait a little more. And who is that? Who is that? Can't resist. Let's type here, hi. Wait. See, this person does not talk. Who are you? I'm the first YouTuber to be a non-member. We have Timon and Pumbaa, and here's something Caribbean. What is this? That's better. Don't run from me. Okay, seems like I'll go to jail. What animal is this? Oh, it's cute. Oh man, I would hunt it if it didn't. Let's dance to see if he cares. Oh wait. There. Just switching the music. Yay, this is one of the fitting musics. Look at me, I'm dancing. Can you listen to me? My name is Lioness. Look. Look. There's a snake. He ran from the snake. What are you looking at? Am I ugly? I do not look ugly. Or are you just looking at me because I'm hot? I'm not hot. I'm a noob. New jammer. But it does not say new jammer. You're sleeping. It took you forever to put. Yep, I don't have membership. It is the emoji. Let's do this emoji to troll him. Let's troll him. We're trolling you. The cute baby animal. Oh no, it's not cute anymore. Look, there's a bunny. let's go to somewhere that I can dance. Yay, here is somewhere where I can dance. I really like this. What is this place? Let's make our way through. There's someone. Is this a member only place? Please don't be. Let's go to the demo. Here's that weird monkey that I saw before, but he's of a different color. Why is he so weird? No, I'm not being your friend because you look weird. Wait a second. No, not this song. Okay, there, that's better. That does not look like Play Wild's dance. Okay, I think we should end the video here now. No. I mean, let's make... Because you look super weird. You don't have a good name. Look at your pets. Okay. So, bye. Like, share, and subscribe.